Despite being some of the most recognizable names in Silicon Valley, Hollywood, and beyond, these millionaires and billionaires weren't always living the high life. From the seedy streets of LA to the Bayview projects, these celebrities and entrepreneurs made it big after coming from nothing. Though Steve Jobs is now exalted as one of the greatest minds in modern history, he came from humble beginnings. Jobs' young, working-class parents struggled to support him and make ends meet. He was soon taken in by another couple, Paul and Clara Jobs. Jobs was fascinated by computers, even at a young age. However, Jobs never liked formal education. After dropping out of college, after his first semester, he started working at video game manufacturing company Atari. A while later, Jobs created the first ever Apple machine, together with Steve Wozniak. The duo funded their entrepreneurial venture through untraditional avenues at first. Jobs sold his Volkswagen bus, and Wozniak sold his beloved scientific calculator. By age 23, Jobs was worth $1 million. He was the youngest person on Forbes' list of the country's richest people at the time, no small feat without inheriting any family wealth. He made $10 million by age 24, and crossed the $100 million mark by the time he was 25. Before he passed away, at the age of 56 in 2011, he was reportedly worth $10.2 billion.